This command is selecting all the static files of HTML in order to display them on a final web application. This command is used for launching a web application. This is the application which we first hosted on our local server. A quick demo of the application. This is a foreign forex currency exchange dashboard, which is telling us the high and low of euro versus USD, and also fetching the live data of all the currencies and displaying different metrics. We have hosted our web application on Heroku. The database which we have used for our web application is MongoDB. Forex 30 minutes is the database which we have created. In this database, our data is updated after every 30 minutes. This is a demo of the data which is being fetched from the API. We have used a cluster on Databricks in order to script our web application. This is a Python script which is scheduling the fetching of the data from an API and feeding it to the database on MongoDB. Pusher is used in order to show the triggers, the number of times our API is being hit, which is recorded in the next tab. Here we can see the number of times our API is being hit. This shows the number of times our scheduler has been run. For example, the last run was run number 129. And finally, we have hosted a web application on Heroku. All the data is being fetched live from the API, and the currency exchange rates along with different metrics of timestamp, open, close, low and high are being shown in the table below. The high and low of euro versus USD is being displayed in the row above. Thank you.